In this video, we will learn what is direct proportion. Direct proportion is a relation in which one quantity increases or decreases in a same proportion by increasing or decreasing the other quantity. To understand what is direct proportion, let's consider that the price of one chewing gum is 5 rupees. What is the price of 2, 3 or more chewing gums? We can find the prices of different quantities at the same rate that can be shown by a table given below. From this table, we can observe that the price is increasing in the same proportion as the quantity is increasing. Then it is said that the price is directly proportional to the quantity, and such proportion is called the direct proportion. To understand more clearly that what is direct proportion, let's discuss an example. A washerman irons 2 shirts in 10 minutes. How many shirts can he iron in 1 hour? We can write this above situation as, let's firstly write the shirt and secondly write the time. The washerman irons 2 shirts in 10 minutes and we have to find that how much he iron in 1 hour, and there are 60 minutes in 1 hour, so we will write here 60. Since we have to find the number of shirts that he irons in 60 minutes, so we will write here x, since we do not know the number of shirts, and we will find it now. Here we can clearly observe that by increasing time, the number of shirts that the washerman irons is also increasing. If the washerman irons 2 shirts in 10 minutes, then he will definitely iron more shirts in 60 minutes. So we can say that time is directly proportional to the quantity, that is number of shirts, and we use this downward arrow to represent the direct proportion. We will now write the term by observing the direction of arrow. Since the direction of arrow is downward, so we will write 2 by x. It is written in the same manner as the direction of arrow is. We have written 2 as a numerator and x as a denominator, equal to, now we will write 10 by 60. It is written in the same manner as the direction of arrow is. Now we will cross multiply the both terms and we get 2 multiplied by 60 equal to 10 multiplied by x. 2 times 60 is 120 equal to 10 times x. Now dividing 10 on both sides, we get x is equal to 12. Since we have found the value of x, which is 12, so we can write, hence a washerman can iron 12 shirts in 1 hour.